Hello, my name is Susana, and I'm an educator with the University of California Hansen Agricultural Research and Extension Center. Welcome to another Harvest of the Month cooking video. This month we're learning about sugar snap peas. I'm at our Research and Education Center. We like to call it the farm. I'm checking out our crop of sugar snap peas. Let's take a look at how this beautiful plant grows. Sugar snap peas were created in the 1970s by crossing a snow pea and a garden pea. The result is a sweeter pea that doesn't require the extra work of shelling or throwing away the pod. These sweet and crunchy peas grow on this lacy vine and can get up to 6 feet tall. The delicate white flour produces the pea pods that we eat. Sugar snap peas provide vitamins A and C and fiber for good vision and a healthy immune and digestive system. It's easy to cook with sugar snap peas, and they make handy snacks. Just wash them and eat them, pods and all. Today we're making Lemoney sugar snap peas. Read the recipe to make sure you have all the equipment and ingredients. You'll need a cutting board, knife, grater, juicer, measuring spoons, measuring cup, whisk, bowl, tongs. You'll also need sugar snap peas, lemon, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Let's cook. Wash your hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds or more, then rinse your peas and lemon, and you are ready to go. Okay, we're ready to make Lemoney sugar snap peas. We're going to take the peel of the lemon first, and what you want to do is take your smallest part of your grater and just gently grate the peel of the lemon into a bowl. And then you take your half a teaspoon and gather up some of that lemon peel and put it into the bowl where we're going to make the dressing. Now you're going to take your lemon, cut it in half. It's very important that you take the peel first because it's easier. We're going to juice the lemon. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And now you're going to put in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any kind of oil you have at home. A pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper, powder your dressing. You can set that aside. 2 cups of sugar snap peas. Put it on your cutting board. You want to take your safe knife. Maybe you'll find one that's not as sharp if you're maybe kindergarten. And you're going to cut them on a diagonal. And what that means, you're just going to cut them kind of at an angle. Okay? Always use your safe technique. Okay, now we're ready to put our salad together. So let's take your sugar snap peas and put them into your dressing. You could either take a fork or some tongs to mix them around. Now we're ready to eat. Take a bowl and serve them up. What a beautiful spring salad. Look at the bright green color from the sugar snap peas and the yellow from the lemon peel. They're crunchy and delicious. Remember, these sugar snap peas were grown right at the University of California Hansen Agricultural Research and Extension Center. We hope you enjoy making this salad and that you share it with your household.